Hi guys! Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-set up ang inyong ads on Reels and payout account. Sa mga monetize na po sa ads on Reels, congratulations po sa inyo! Ngayon, ang gawin mo, pumunta po kayo sa inyong Facebook app. Ngayon dito po sa profile nyo, pindutin nyo po ang tatlong linya na nasa taas sa tabi ng bell. Ngayon ay pindutin ang manage. Po sa professional dashboard, under po sa tools, pindutin ang monetization. So ayan na po. Available to set up na po ang ating ads on Reels. Ayan. So, pindutin nyo lamang po ang setup. Ito na guys. Nandito na tayo sa ads on Reels na tool. Ayan. Ads on Reels is here. Create Reels. Pursue your passion and get paid for creating original Reels. Earn money from ads on your Reels. Ads are enabled and automatically placed on your public Reels. Start earning from eligible Reels or turn off ads at any time. Get paid for plays. Your earnings will be based on the number of plays that you get on your eligible public Reels. Ngayon po, pindutin nyo po ang Get Started. Ayan, set up payout account. Select your business info. Tell us about your business. This info will be used to set up your profile, report your taxes, and pay you. So, ang pipiliin ko po dito na business info ay itong nasa huli dahil ito ang business info ko sa page ko na monetize na sa ads on Reels. Ngayon, pindutin ang next. Ngayon, magsiset up na po tayo ng payout account. Start earning or finish setup. Start earning now. You can finish setting up your payout account later and start earning up to $500. Finish setup first. To earn more than $500 and get paid, you'll need to finish setting up your payout account. Pipindutin ko po ay finish setup. Ayan. Bank po yung pinili ko na account method nung ako po ay na-eligible for monetization sa Stars. So, same lang din po ang ililink ko dito na bank account sa ads on Reels. Depende po kung ano ang gusto nyong ililink na payout method. Sa akin po is bank ang pinili ko. Ngayon, pindutin nyo po ang circle na nasa tabi ng nilink nyo na payout method. Ngayon, pindutin ang link payout method. Ayan. Setup complete. Success. You can start earning money from ads on your Reels. Create Reels and get paid for automatic ad placements. Get started. Create and share Reels. The more Reels you create, the more opportunities you will have to engage with your audience and make money for ads. Make money from plays. Your earnings will be based on the number of plays that you get on your eligible public Reels. Track your earnings. Go to the Insights tab to keep track of your progress. You'll have access to earnings and ad impression data to help you make the most of ads on Reels. Pindutin po ninyo ang done. Ayan. Ayan na. Oh my goodness. Meron na pala akong kinita. I have $5.13. Wow, may earnings na pala ako dito sa ads on Reels ko, guys. Ngayon ko lang nalaman ito, guys. Ganun lang po ang pag-set up sa ads on Reels. Na po ay nakatulong po sa inyo ang video na ito. Kung nagustuhan nyo po, please like and please follow my page for more tips.